Welcome to this video. In today's video, we will discuss about Indian Contract Act. Indian Contract Act 1872 came into existence in 1st September 1872. Now we have to know how a contract is formed. To know how a contract is formed, we need to know what do we mean by a contract. According to section 2H of Indian Contract Act, an agreement which is enforceable by law is a contract. So in this definition, we have to know two things. First one, what is agreement, and second one, how it become enforceable. There are some important concepts which we have to know to understand the formation of a contract. Number 1, offer. Number 2, acceptance. Number 3, promise. Number 4, consideration. And number 5th one is agreement. Now let us discuss it one by one.
Proposal or offer is the starting point of the formation of contract. According to section 2A of Indian Contract Act, when one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain from doing something with a view to obtain his assent, he is said to make a proposal. For example, if A says to B that he wants to sell his car at rupees 2 lakh, he makes a offer to B. Next one is acceptance. According to section 2B, when the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent thereto, he is said to make acceptance. In this example, if B says, yes, I will buy your car, then it is an acceptance. Proposal, when comes with acceptance, it makes promise. Let's move next one, consideration. According to section 2D of Indian Contract Act, when at the desire of the promisor, the promisee or any other person has done or abstained from doing or does or abstain from doing or promises to do or abstain from doing something, such an act or abstinence is called consideration. In this example, A is promisor and B is promisee, and A wants to sell his car at rupees 2 lakhs. Here rupees 2 lakh is the consideration. When promise comes with consideration, it becomes an agreement. Let's next agreement. According to section 2E, every promise or every set of promises forming consideration for each other is called an agreement. When agreement comes with enforceability of law, it becomes a contract. To become a contract, there are some essentials for a valid contract, which are defined in section 10. We will discuss these essentials in our next video. Hope you understand all the important concepts relating to contract.